Chiquita. Hey, it's me, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be recreating these jean shorts that I saw on AliExpress. Right? They're like they have pearls and rhinestones on them. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. We're gonna be using these shorts right here that I got from Shein. They're really cute. They feel like real denim, and I just want to jazz them up a little bit. All right, so the original picture has the pearls and the rhinestones sewn onto the shorts, but I think I want to go more for like a belt feel. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna sew it on. All right, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so let me show you what I got. So I got these pearls, the string of pearls that I got from Amazon, and I also got this string of rhinestones that I also got off of Amazon, and like this jewelry making kit. It comes with, what is it? I don't remember what they're called, but these little rings. I'm gonna use these to attach these hooks to the end of the belt so it can open and close, so I can remove it and put it on whenever I want, and I can put on other pants if I feel like it. So let's do it. I'm gonna leave links in the description to everything that I used. And yeah. All right, so there's been a change of plans. Instead of making it a belt, I'm gonna sew it the way they have it in the picture, because I want the draping action. That's what's really attracting me to these shorts, right? So I'm gonna do it this way. So I got my pearls, they're cute. I have my sewing needle. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, make your knot at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the needle around the pearl and then make a loop so the pearl is attached to the thread, like this. Now the pearl is attached to the thread. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Very nice. And just continue like that, just to make sure you secure this pearl, you feel me? Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna knot it. Make sure she's secure. Gonna go through the loop. And now we've secured the bead. Bam. Alright, beautiful. So now she's on there. Alright, so I just cut the thread off, so the pearl, she's secure. Now we have the knot on the end of our thread, but we want to make sure the pearl hangs the way we want it to hang. So I'm going to turn it this way so you guys can see. I have the shorts here, and I want it to hang down the way it hangs down in the picture, but I don't want it to hang down too much either. So I'm going to pick it up, and just a little too much, pull it back. And I think that's good. Nothing in life is perfect. All right, that's fine. So now my knot is created and we're off. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this pearl over here, because that's gonna give me the hanging feature that I want, right? You wanna make sure you don't sew the two layers of the pants together. So you're gonna go ahead and stick the thread in and pull it back out, right? And then you're gonna place the pearl exactly where you want it to be. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And just like the last one, you wanna loop in between the knot. This way it'll secure the thread inside. Yeah, so now we have our first string of pearls attached. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it's secure. I'm gonna go ahead and knot it. See the hang. You see that? Nice and cute. I'm gonna go ahead and hang the next 2 and we'll be back. So as you can see, I've already put on the second string of pearls and I'm working on to the rhinestones. I want it to dangle, I want it to jingle, I want it to give movement. It's very easy to put on. As you can see, I just fold over the rhinestone and just sew the center fold onto the edge of the pockets. And at the end, you're gonna see the vibes, you're gonna see the sauce, you're gonna see the rhythm. It's gonna be great, okay? Alright, so that's how the shorts came out. They look really cute. You know, they're definitely gonna be out here on the beach, you know, styled, catching, you know, vibes, catching looks. But I love them. If you go ahead and try to recreate them, why not? Go ahead and tag me. Let me know if you would wear these. Would you buy these? Let me know. Alright, so that's we're done. Don't forget to stay blessed, don't stress, and let God take care of the rest. Deuces.